welcome to a brand new episode of Mr. Awesome Scientist. In this video, we're going to learn about black holes and I'm going to share some very 9 interesting facts about black holes. First, what is a black hole? A black hole is an object with intense gravity that nothing can escape from it, including light. Okay, now let's learn some 9 very interesting facts about black holes. Fact 1. You can't directly see a black hole. Because a black hole is indeed black, no light can escape from it. It's impossible for us to sense the hole directly through our instruments, no matter what kind of electromagnetic radiation you use, light, X-rays, whatever. To find a black hole, you have to look at the hole's effects on the nearby environment. Fun fact 2. Look out! Our Milky Way likely has a black hole. A natural next question is, given how dangerous a black hole is Earth in any imminent danger of getting swallowed? The answer is no, astronomers say. Although there's probably a huge supermassive black hole lurking in the middle of our galaxy. Luckily, we are nowhere near this black hole. We are about 2/3 of the way out from the center, relative to the rest of our galaxy. But we can certainly observe its effects from afar. It's 4 million times more massive than our Sun and is surrounded by surprisingly hot gas. Fun fact 3. Dying stars create stellar black holes. Say you have a star that is about 20 times more massive than the Sun. Our Sun is going to end its life quietly. When its nuclear fuel burns out, it will slowly fade into a white dwarf. That's not the case for far more massive stars. When those stars run out of fuel, gravity will overwhelm the natural pressure the star maintains to keep its shape stable. When the pressure from nuclear reactions collapses, according to the Space Telescope Science Institute, gravity violently overwhelms and collapses the core and other layers of flying into space. This is called a supernova. The remaining core collapses into a singularity, a spot of infinite density and almost no volume. That's another name for a black hole. Fun fact 4. Black holes come in a range of sizes. There are at least 3 types of black holes, ranging from relative squeakers to those that dominate a gaseous center. Primordial black holes are the smallest kinds. Stellar black holes, the most common type, are about 20 times more massive than the Sun. And then there are the most biggest one in the center of galaxies, called supermassive black holes. They are each more than 1 million times more massive than the Sun. How did they form is still being examined. Fun fact 5. Weird time stuff happens around black holes. This is best illustrated by one person falling into a black hole while another person watches. From the person who watches, the person who fails time clocks appears to be ticking slower and slower. This is in accordance with Einstein's theory of general relativity, which says that time is affected by how fast you go when you're on extreme speeds close to light. The black hole walks time and space so much that the person who fell in's times appear to be running slower. From the person who fell in's perspective, however, their clock is running normally and the person who's watching is running fast. Fun fact 6. The first black hole wasn't discovered until X-ray astronomy was used. Cygnus X1 was first found during balloon flights in the 1960s, but wasn't identified as a black hole for about another decade. According to NASA, the black hole is 10 times more massive to the Sun. Nearby is a blue supergiant star that is about 20 times more massive than the Sun, which is bleeding due to the black hole and creating X-ray emissions. Fun fact 7. The nearest black hole is likely not 1600 light years away. An erroneous measurement of V4641 Sagittarius led to a slew of news reports a few years back saying the nearest black hole to Earth is just outstanding close, just 1600 light years away. Not close enough to be considered dangerous, but way closer than thought. Further research, however, shows that black hole is likely further away than that. Looking at the rotation of its companion stars, among other factors, yielded a 2014 result of more than 20,000 light years. Fun fact 8. We aren't sure if wormholes exist. A popular science fiction topic concerns what happens if somebody falls into a black hole. Some people believe that this observes a sort of a wormhole to other parts of the universe. We will learn more about wormholes in the next video. Fun fact 9. Black holes are only dangerous if we get too close. Like creatures behind a cage, it's okay to observe a black hole if we stay away from its even horizon. Think of it like the gravitational field of a planet. This zone is the point of no return when you are too close for any hope of rescue, but you can safely observe the black hole from outside of this arena. By extension, this means it's likely impossible for a black hole to swallow up everything in the universe. A black hole's another name is a singularity. We have come to the end of this episode for Mr. Awesome Scientist, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos because I'm going to share about white holes and wormholes. Thank you and bye.